Hello, come in, folks. We've got a Donkey Stomper 12 pill. Customer did a little customizing to the cases. I think it's pretty sexy. I put him another sticker on there, but I'm gonna leave the other stickers so he can put them on if he wants to. This is a rebuild. I got a 1x2 Donkey Stomper driving it. And this is a 12 pill Donkey Stomper 1x2 driving it. We'll do a couple things a little different. I completely rebuilt this thing, and it's working really good. So let's look at some tests. Straight through SWR. This is through the daggum 1x2 and the 12 pill, okay? Alright, we're going to turn on the 1x2. Now we got power to everything. Straight through 1x2. Straight through SWR with the 1x2 on, wide open, okay? Now my dead key is going to be a little bit low the whole time, and the reason why is because I've got this set. The customer's got a washed-in base. Madison, I mean. If he had a Galaxy, I'd be trying to talk him out of running a 1x2, but since he's got a Madison, it don't swing about 12 watts, so, you know, it'll probably be alright. Now, I've got the 1x2 fixed where dead key's low, so it should all work out. So, 1x2, 2500 watt slug, be rated in the top scale, worldwide, 400 PEP, okay? Get on down. Alright, now we're going to go over here, turn the 1x2 off, look at the 12 pill by itself. Worldwide input SWR very little, and you got to keep in mind it's got that big old jumper in line in between the 1x2 and it. 5-volt reverse radial drive. Worldwide 0. 2500 watt slug PEP. Worldwide. So about 250. Alright. Oh, that looks good. Now we're on 14 volts. Okay. We're going to turn the 1x2 on and the 12 pill on. We're going to go to our output reflect, 5-volt reverse, dummy load. Worldwide, we got a watt back. We're going to go to our 2500 watt slug, average power, worldwide, we're doing over 1,000 average. Alright, and that's with a low less dead key. My radio only goes up to like 1.8 dead key, and won't hardly go to 2, so he can run 2.5, so he should be about right. 2500 watt PEP, worldwide, that's on 1x2, worldwide, 13.7. That's a 1x2. Now, 1x2 is a little bit healthy for a 12 pill to drive it, but if you got a radio that's kind of weak, like a Washington, it won't do with 12 versus my radio doing 35, you'll probably be fine. So we're on the 5,000 watt slug, PEP, 14 volts. Worldwide, 3,000 peaks, worldwide. And that's about as much as I'd want to run it, okay? 3,000 peaks plenty. I'm gonna go down here and crank it up to 15 volts just for the peanut gallery. Like I said, a 1x2 with 30 going into it, that's pretty hard on a 12 pill. So, you know, but when it gets on this Madison, it'll be alright. Worldwide. So we're looking at 3,600 on 15 volts. Worldwide. It's getting it. Alright. I'm going to go back down to 14 volts. Now we're going to do something I normally don't do, but I want to do it for a good reason. I'm going to go over here, take the dummy load loose, okay? I'm going to change this slug right here, this 5-watt slug, and put 100 in reverse. And I'm going to take this jumper right here and put it in. I'm going to go to my closet 10K. By 88, receive it worth of shit. Alright. First thing we're going to look at, we'll just leave everything like it was. We're running 14 volts. 5,000 watt slug. Worldwide. 2,500 watt. Worldwide PEP. Worldwide reflect. Worldwide. Alright, just for fun. 6-pack, you still on there?
Yes, sir.
10-4. I'm talking on this old 12 pill. I just did a little video on it.
10-4. Let's blasting up here on the hill.
Roger. Worldwide. On 14 volts, you doing right at 3K there. Break.
Yeah, swinging my meter pretty hard.
10-4. Alright, bud. I appreciate it. But I just want to do a little test. There's on the antenna, off the antenna. You see no problems whatsoever. Good SWRs, everything's kosher all the way around. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye bye.